I know it still hurts that you never got an apology from them, so I'll be the one to say it. I'm sorry they hurt you. I'm sorry they took without giving. I'm sorry they made you question your worth and then disappeared when you needed the clarity the most. I'm sorry they left you carrying the weight of something they broke. You deserve better. You still do. And while this apology might not come from their mouth, I hope it lands somewhere soft in you. Because what happened wasn't your fault. But healing from it, that gets to be your power. Your story doesn't end with what they never said. It begins with what you choose next.
In the back of my mind